Hello there. Well, I've been asked how you do the remove silence on Hoster. And it's a setting up here now. Tools, remove silence, right? Now, that's the screen. Now, to remove silence can take a long while. The bigger your database, the longer it can take. It take a long while. It has to go right through your database, basically checking the start and end of every song. So anyway, you set what ones you want to process. So you've got karaoke and karaoke videos on mine. You can't do you can do other video, but you can't do MP3s or anything like that. So it's just karaoke type songs, right? Now this is set at the moment to play normal play mode. Now, when you first start up, you'd press this button. It won't do because mine are all done. So, but I'll press that button and it says processing complete because mine's all done. But that will go through every song in your database. And it can take a long while. Now, you might want to let it run for a few hours and you've got other things to do. You can press the cancel button. And as it says here, you can cancel any time. And running again starts at the next song in the process. So it doesn't have to start from the beginning again. So although it takes a long while to go through your database, you can start it and stop it and it will eventually catch up. The best thing, once you've got it caught up, is to, when you import new songs, run this right away and it will remove the silence there and then. And when we're only doing a few songs, it takes seconds. Right, now just to show you how this works, once you've done the process is complete, you set how much silence you actually want it to add on before the song starts. Now, you generally need a little bit of silence. So mine's set to 2 seconds. And then after the audio ends, 1 second. Now, I'll show you this in normal mode. I've picked a particular song out. This one here, Hotel California, the Eagles, which is a Zoom record. Now, some of the Zoom records have a lot of silence. This particular Zoom record would have 9 seconds of silence at the beginning. Now, we'll start it playing. Right, we're going to start now. So we go. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's actually about 9 seconds if you look at that. And the music started, as you can see. Right, now then we'll stop that. Now we'll play the same song when remove silence. When it's set to remove silence mode, and now it will play. It will only give 2 seconds of silence before the start of the song, but it will reduce the length of that intro screen as well. So you close this down. Same song. 1, 2, and it starts. So it knocks about 7 seconds off the start of that song. And just to demonstrate it even more, if I go back into the tools and again the remove silence mode, and I put this down to no seconds before it starts, you'll find it cuts out the intro screen altogether. So right, now we start it, the same song. And it just flashes past the intro screen and starts right away, as you can see. So that's basically how it does. But, as I said, it takes a long while to process. If you've got 100,000 songs. I don't know how long it'll take, but anyway, it can take a long while. But the point is, you don't have to complete it. You can stop after an hour or so and then continue another day. Now, the other way you can do this, there is another option. It's from the edit menu. Now, we take that same song, which I have the book ID 57328. 57328. We take that same song, go to edit songs. Now, occasionally you might find it go wrong and you'd have to manually set 57238, 57238, right, 57238, edit songs. Go 572 again, that'll do. I know it's 38, right. So we come down here to song number 38, which is the Hotel California one. Right, then you come across that set yes. See, now if you look up here, now I've highlighted the song, it tells you it's 9.95 seconds of silence on that particular song. So when I've set it to play 2 seconds before, it will start at 7 seconds, which was about what it did. And then it adds, it knocks a bit off at the end as well. Now you can actually pick songs from here. So if you've actually loaded, just say 3 or 4 songs in, you can, if you want, go to here, pick multiples, and then select the actual songs you want to. We'll do it right in a minute. Select the songs you want to do it on, and then press start, and it will just go through them ones what might be your new songs you've imported. So basically, that is it. Now you can, if you find one, make a note, one didn't come out right how you liked it, you can alter it from here. So take this one for instance. What's that? Big 3. 57230, what 2? And why hasn't that lit up? Oh, you can't do it while it's in multiples. You've got to have singles on. Then when you click on it, it will populate this box here. Now you can, if you wanted, if you thought something was wrong with it, sometimes, occasionally it will go wrong. It'll get it wrong, the start of it. It might be, I can't think of any time that it has. But you can add, if it cuts a song short, finishing too quick, you can add a bit of time onto it for the next time it plays there. Right. But anyway, apart from that, I think that's about covers the subject. So, there we are. Right, see how you get on with that.